this is Dan Faschingbauer from Video Pizzazz, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Video Spinn software to take several images and combine them together to make a video. Alright, so here's my Video Spinn icon to bring up the application, so I'll open that up. And you can only have a maximum of 100 images or pictures, and you just use this dial here to dial it however many pictures you have. But what I did is I created a folder here called Video Spinn Test Case, and I put in 100 pictures that I want to use in my video. And then you can have a minimum duration per image. I'm just going to leave it at 3. Transition time between the pictures, I'm going to put it at 800. And I'm going to create one video. With this software, you can create several videos with the same information, and it'll just mix up the video or the image order to create a different video. But I'm not doing that in this case. All I want to do is create one video of a lot of pictures. And then you can set the max duration per image, and I'm going to leave it at 3. Video quality, you can go high, or you can even go highest. And you can add a watermark if you want to. I'm not going to do that today. And you can click on video transitions. You can have all these different transitions going on between your images or pictures. You can choose one or all of them. I'm going to choose all of them, so it kind of mixes it up. Say OK here. And here, list of file names. You can enter a list of names that you want the videos to be named when they're processed. But again, in my case, I'm only making one video today, so I don't really care. Alright, so you have to select the source folder where all your videos or images are. So you can mix videos and images, but in my case today, I'm just going to have images that I'm going to mix and create a video of. So here's my source folder. I just called it Video Spinn Test Case. It has 100 images in it. And within inside that, I created an output folder, and that's where my video will be put when it's created. So here for the destination folder, I'm saying Video Spinn Test Case /output. And I'm not using any of this stuff down here. I'm not going to put in music or put an intro image or a outro image, but I could. And for your resource usage, it's going to use the resources on your local computer. So if you set this to high, maximum, or normal, it's going. If you set it for high, it's going to use all your memory up. I wouldn't suggest doing that, since this is going to be a fairly bigger video because of 100 images. I'm going to use the resource usage of normal. And I'm not spinning. I'm not going to create several videos of this data. I'm just going to join. So I'll just click on join. You don't really see anything happening here right now. What it's doing is it's going out and collecting up all those images, putting them together into a database, and then you'll start seeing this slider here move across as it's processing the video. So I'm just going to leave this right now. So right now it's at 5:35. We'll see how long it takes to process this video. And again, it's 100 images, so it's going to take a while. So I'm just going to pause this video and I'll come back later on. Alright, so now you can see that my video is starting to process, and it's 5:39 now, so it took 4 minutes to set everything up before it actually started creating the video. And you'll see right now it's at 3%, and it's going to have to, the slide bar is going to have to go all the way across here to get to 100% before it's done. Alright, so it looks like we're winding down here. We're at 93% complete. As soon as this gets to the end here, we'll be done. Okay, we're at 99%. We're at 100%. Okay, boom, we're done. So once it hits 100%, it goes back down here to 0%. So if you come back and just see 0% here, you'll know that your video is done. Alright, so it took about 30-35 minutes to do this with a resource usage of normal on my laptop using my local CPU. So this time frame will vary depending on your hardware setup, but that's how it ended up in this case. So now let's go find our video and see what it looks like. So we'll come here, we'll go to our video spin test case directory, and then we'll go inside the output. And since I didn't put anything here for a list of file names, it just defaulted to join1.mp4. So if I double click on that, you can see my video playing now with different transitions between the slides of images. It randomly selects different transitions for me, which is kind of cool. Now if I want to take this into a video editor like Camtasia, I can zoom in on the pictures, I can add an intro, I can add an outro, I can add music behind it. But this is a slick, quick way of getting all your pictures in a slideshow with random animations in between them. So I think this is pretty cool. So I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.